Today we're making peanut clusters. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is a really fast and easy recipe. We're making peanut clusters and I am using a handy dandy chocolate melter. Yeah, you can get these or you could just use the double boiler method. But we are going to start off with 2 cups of dark chocolate chips. If you don't want to use dark chocolate chips, use whatever chocolate chips that you like to use. And then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to plug this melter in and then just melt it and mix it up until it is completely smooth. You could also do this in the microwave by heating it up in 30-second intervals in a microwave-safe container. But I have this chocolate melter, so let's do that. Once your chocolate is melted, now we're going to take 2 cups of peanuts. These are roasted, unsalted peanuts. You can use roasted, salted peanuts. I just don't like the salt. Now, one of the things I have learned, don't put all 2 cups in a small container like this at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in about a cup, stir, then see if we can squeeze in a few more. Then the best part, and this is what I learned from doing this multiple times. My silicone pads, which are wonderful for baking, they're also wonderful for making candy. I have my cookie scoop, and I'm just going to drop this by the cookie scoop onto the pad. The first ones are going to be really, really chocolatey. As I get more space in, I add more peanuts. Once again, dropping by the scoopful onto the pad. So you can make these as big or as small as you like. The cool part about these, the chocolate's what keeps them together. So you get a wonderful peanut cluster without doing any work. Just remember to stir. Now the thing which I like to do is I'm going to put these in my freezer and they will firm up in about 1 hour to 2 hours and they'll be ready to eat. These are so simple. We'll come back once they're all nice and hardened. Our peanut clusters are out of the freezer. They are nice and firm. Let's give them a taste. Those are really good, and I mean super good. They're so easy. Now I can warn you that they will melt on your fingers, but the chocolate, and you can use any kind of chocolate that you want, and it is just so simple to put together. I would keep these refrigerated simply because they do get sort of melty if they're hot or really warm. At room temperature they are fine, but they will sort of like melt onto your fingers. They will melt in your hand, but these are so good. Now if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.